Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to change the time zone in Windows 11. Sometimes your computer may show the wrong time if the time zone is not set correctly. This usually happens when you move to a different region, travel to another country, or when Windows detects the wrong location. Fortunately, Windows 11 allows you to easily change the time zone in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, click on the Start button and select here Settings to open the Settings app. Alternatively, you can press Windows plus I keys on your keyboard to open the Setting app. Once Windows 11 settings open, select Time and Language in the left sidebar. On the right, click on the date and time. Ensure here set time zone automatically is turned off. After that, you will see a time zone drop down menu. Click on this one drop down menu and select your time zone, correct time zone. After that, Windows will automatically update the system time based on that location. That's it. You have successfully changed the time zone in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.